Can an LLC have investors? Yes, an LLC can have investors, but instead of issuing stock like a corporation, it gives investors membership interests. These represent ownership in the company and entitle investors to a share of profits. The terms of investment, such as profit splits, voting rights, and responsibilities, are usually spelled out in the LLC's operating agreement. This flexibility allows LLCs to customize deals with investors in ways corporations cannot. For example, an investor could contribute money but receive profits without having voting power, if that's what the members agree on. While LLCs can raise money from investors, they don't have the same access to public stock markets as corporations. Investments usually come from private individuals, venture capital, or private equity firms. Zen Business can help you set up your LLC with an operating agreement designed to bring in investors smoothly. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.